Hey there, guys. How's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Vicks VapoRub. Yes, Vicks. Now, Vicks is the menthol king. Yes, okay. Any household, especially has children, especially small children, anybody, you can use this. But if you have small children, even babies, this is a must-have, because lots of times if you get colds, stuffy nose, breathing issues, anything like that, this helps. This really helps open up those airways, helps breathe so much better. It really does. It's really, really good for that. And the rub, I know there's Vicks, all kind of different things you can use as far as Vicks. But the rub, what you do is you take just a little bit, and it's very loose. It's not as thick as, say, like a Vaseline or something like that. It's very loose. See? And you can put this, well, I guess it's almost just like Vaseline a little bit, that consistency. Yeah. And what you do is you take some of this and you would put this underneath your nose and around like, say if you have a baby, you put this around the baby's nose and on his upper lip, on his neck, all over his neck, and on his chest. Yes. Now, you can also put it on the baby's back, like that. You don't need to put it on his hands or anything like that. Try not to, put it on anywhere where it could get into his mouth or anything like that. But when you rub it all on his chest and neck and under his nose, it's all over him. I mean, that smell comes out, and it just, that menthol gets into his nose and his mouth and just opens up those passages. It makes it so you can breathe so much better. Not just babies. I mean, like I said, anybody can use that. I'm just saying, with kids, you need everything you can to soothe them, because little small children will cry all night if they're uncomfortable. So you do whatever you can to make them as comfortable as you can. If you're older, you do this just to make yourself feel better. You can just deal with it, if you have irritation in any way. But, children, small baby type children, they're not having it. You're going to hear crying and all kind of irritating things until you fix it. So, yeah, Vicks is good. Just get it in there. And that menthol, it is really a great invention. I mean, it really gets in there and opens up those passageways when it's, on your chest, under your neck, and under your nose. Now, for those who haven't smelt menthol before, it's kind of strong, but it has to be. It absolutely has to be. If it's not strong, you're not going to get any benefit out of it. You need it as strong as they can make it to open up your passageways. Now, to me, the smell of menthols, the VapoRub smell, I don't mind the smell. It smells strong, but I like the fragrance. I mean, I wouldn't wear like VapoRub cologne or anything like that, but it's not a bad smell. Like, it's going to be annoying. I mean, somebody might smell it on you and wonder what it is, or like, what is that? Wow, that smells so strong. But it's not a bad smell. I mean, you don't want to put it on and go to work or anything like that. It's something you do to soothe yourself while you're trying to sleep at nighttime. And that's basically what you're doing, is trying to comfort your child or yourself or anybody to, feel better while they're trying to sleep. Mostly in their nose. You want to open those passageways so the snoring will subside a bit, and the comfort can, trying to sleep with a cold is just horrible. It attacks you when you're weakest. So you need this, and I've been using it for a long time, and it's recommended completely. Yes. All right. Well, today we were talking about the Vicks VapoRub. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay. Bye-bye.